In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an already installed game to Steam so it appears in your Steam library and can be launched directly from the platform. This is really useful if you installed a game outside of Steam, maybe from a different launcher, a download, or an older backup, and you still want the convenience of launching it through Steam. Adding it to Steam also allows you to organize it with the rest of your games, use the overlay in many cases, and keep everything in one place. The process only takes a minute, and once you know where the option is, it's incredibly simple. So if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Steam application on your computer. You can do this by searching for Steam in your Windows search bar or launching it from your desktop shortcut. Once Steam opens, make sure you are logged into your account and looking at the main Steam window. At the top of the Steam interface, you'll see several menu options like Store, Library, Community, and your profile name. What we want to do is look slightly to the left side of that top menu and click on the option labeled Games. This menu contains a few different options related to adding and managing games inside Steam. After you click on Games, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select the option called Add a non-Steam game to my library. This feature allows you to manually add programs or games that were installed outside of Steam so they appear inside your Steam library. Once you click this option, Steam will open a new window that scans your computer for installed applications. You'll see a list of programs that Steam detects automatically. If the game you want to add appears in this list, simply check the box next to the game's name. However, sometimes the game you want will not appear in this list. If that happens, don't worry. Just click the Browse button in the bottom corner of the window. This allows you to manually navigate through your computer files. Now browse to the folder where your game is installed and look for the main executable file, which usually ends with .exe. Select that file and click Open. Steam will now add that executable to the list of programs ready to be added. Make sure the checkbox next to the game is selected, and then click the button that says Add Selected Programs. As soon as you click this, the game will instantly appear in your Steam library just like your other titles. You can rename it, organize it, and launch it directly from Steam whenever you want. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to add an already installed game to Steam in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.